place called Waterfalls, which apparently is on the programme called The Witcher.
And we are in Northumberland.
County Durham still, I think, I'm not sure. But look at the views. Stunning. Absolutely stunning.
You might need your mic on because you're turning away. Culvert, yes. It's alright, Richard's been thinking about a name of something. There's a bridge up there, and it's not called a bridge, it's called something. Let me zoom in so you can see the bridge. Richard's standing in the way, sorry. Just there, you can just make it out. So he was trying to remember what it was called, because it's not called a bridge, it's called a culvert. Is there? Oh, it's flipped. I didn't need it to flip. I don't know why it's flipped. It's flipped for some reason. I didn't ask it to flip. It should. I'm gonna have to turn it off while I sort it. Sorry about that, I must have pressed the button that flipped it and I didn't want to do that. I have to keep my hands still. We're currently on the beginning of April. We was expecting it to be quite... We've had a few clouds that looked like it was going to rain. We arrived here yesterday afternoon. We stayed up the road a little bit in Barnard Castle, which the village is a lot bigger than we thought. It's flipped again on its own. My hands haven't moved.
Something wrong with it. You've obviously not got that central. You haven't got the clip central. Here, look.
Sorry about that. As I was saying, we stayed in a place called Barnard Castle yesterday. Just on the edge of it, we stayed at Red Wall Pub. We'd had a park for night on there because we have hired a motorhome for a week to test it out after going to the motorhome show in Birmingham in February. So we was advised to hire one before buying. So we've hired one to see how we get on with it. So we'll show you that later on in the video. You can hear the water that we're getting to now, because it's meant to have quite a lot of waterfalls. You open it then, baby, I've lifted it. So I have to use this contraption to get through the gate. And I've only got one hand with the camera. Thank you, baby. Slope or step? Slope. See the bridge there? Because I can see a waterfall as well through the trees. You might be able to hear it because I haven't got my mic on at the moment, so it's not blocking out any noises, so you will hear it. What's this river called?
High.
No, I know it's called High, but what's the name of the river?
River's called Tyne.
Oh, Tyne.
River Tyne.
River Tyne. I think it did say that on the Google Maps. River Tees. It's meant to be very popular with people coming canoeing. They like to go down the waterfall. We've seen a video of it. It is doable. I know, I've seen it. I'm going to turn the camera in a bit to give them a sneak peek. the North Pennines, era of the outstanding natural beauty. There you go. Just taking pictures, which will also be added to this vlog. Oh, don't like the look of that bridge. I'm going to go and have a look at that fruit from here first of all. I know it's sludgy, but I'm going. We've got my boots on. We got to do it. Yeah, we got to do it. We got to show the viewers what we're seeing. Haven't we, viewers? A little bit over there as well, the edge you can see. I wouldn't like to come down that in a canoe, but people do. Maybe in my younger days, because I used to like canoeing. But I'm in my 50s now. Nah. I'd probably go for a swim in it on a warmer day. Take you along a little bit, see what else we can see before we cross the bridge. That was a little bit. Richard, there's another bit here that triples, the very slow one. I have to watch my footing because it's quite wet. I have got my walking boots on. Lost my shoe completely.
In fact, just record it, say, look what's happening.
No, look, that's my shoe. Oh no. Explain why there's a bag.
Because you've just lost your foot in a bit of mud. It's your shoe.
We've got wet socks and a wet boot.
Wet
They
sock,
went
wet
over the
boot.
top. They are waterproof, but they went over the top.
Seen it from this side. We're now going to cross that bridge and have a look at it from the other side.
There we go. It says to cross the bridge one at a time. So Richard's. I am doing. Oh, you mean coming over? Yeah, Richard's going over. It tells you one person at a time. Do not climb on the bridge. Do not jump off the bridge. No access to the water from the bridge. Follow the route marked. Caution, bridge may be slippy when wet. And it's Durham Council. So I think we just took some pictures as well, so we'll add that on the video. I'm doing this in little bits and bobs, but I'll add it as one video. Oh. It doesn't look as fast here, but I bet it is. Look, that's the other side. Just over halfway. Is Hetty waiting the other side? Is it different?
No.
So this is on a walk as well. I don't know if it's a circular walk. There is what's called, this is low force, but there is a high force as well. It's about 1.5 miles away. So it says we are here. This is low force. There's a quarry. We're parked just here. And high force is over here. So high force and also high force. So it's got two different places. So that's for parking. That's to get to it. I think you park there as well. You can park there. So look, parking there, high force, another parking and a hotel there. And then we are here, low force, the visitor centre where we're parked, and it says there's a quarry and there's also Gibson Cave. Baby, this is the one that the cave's on. Richard, this is the one the cave's on. This is the one that the cave's on. I thought it was the other one. Look.
Yeah, that way.
That's that way to the cave.
Where are we then?
We're here.
And we're going to go that way.
We're going to walk it. Are we going to walk it then? Are we going to give it a go? That's up to you. Oh, I think we're going to give it a go to walk up to there.
1.5 miles. And you've got the cave is 3/4 of a mile, half hour.
Yeah, which is that way.
Which is that way. We're going to have to come back, aren't we? There's a Gibson Cave waterfall, a different one.
Right, yeah.
So do you want to go to that one instead?
You can do, and because we could drive in the other way, aren't we? So you
Yeah.
can always.
Stop nearer to it.
There you go. We're making decisions while we're live.
Shall we go Gibson Cave?
Yeah. Let's go and have a look at this side first of all, unless we do it on our way back. Let's just show you it from this side. one splashing at the bottom. It's giving a right splash. Because it's hitting the rocks, isn't it? Get the right splash from that one. Where's that other one we went to take a look at? Where I lost my shoe. And then these are the others. We get round this bit. Got lots of little streams coming off the fields and from the hills. Look at that. That's the one we couldn't see properly. Is that what? Quite what? Yeah. They are noisy. Like I say, I wouldn't like to go down there on the canoe. We have seen people doing it on videos. On the old YouTube channel. I'll remember the name of it. It wasn't them that went down, they came along and it just happened to be some people canoeing and they recorded it while they was here. But they did this route the opposite way. They did it from the high force to the low force, where they did from the low force to the high force. I'm assuming we're going uphill. Keep rolling for a bit. And then when the waterfalls calm down, oh, I think Richard's getting his drone out. There you go, that'll be good for you. He is. So I'm going to pause while Richard gets the drone out. to that, I've had to go. So there will be some drone footage in between the videos. As I said, Richard did some drone footage for you, so hopefully that's good. So they're only little ones. They're still going quite fast, aren't they? The current's still fast. This is the views we've got the other side. Hello. Got another doggy visiting. Hello. Hiya.